welcome viewers. How you all are fine? And today I will show you how you can create a text effect. Click on video, go to video, I'm going to select this one. This is Pakistan, set image as background, and now go to second page, select a shape, expand it, change the color to black. Now come to the apps. When you click on apps, right over type gradient, this app will be open. Right here the text Pakistan, set the font. I want actually Anton. You can change, and line height little bit. Okay, I have to select the colors. This will be white, this will be green, and this one. Okay, now I have to set the color pattern like add to design, expand to maximum. Now click on download, select PNG, select the page. Only I need a page 2 PNG, increase the size and with the transparent background. Download. This one is downloaded. I will upload the file. This one I will remove. And now I don't need this page. The time. Crop to maximum. Remove the background. Expand it. Reduce it down. Duplicate it. Okay. Now we have to remove the alternate text from here and here as well. Okay. 3 images. Go to the first one, second one. We have select the second one. Okay. Now duplicate it. This one we need. duplicate it. Now we need T. Duplicate it, and now we need N. Okay. We have this one. With the shift key, we select all these four and make it a group. Now we need to this letter. T. Duplicate. We need K. We need S. We need A. Okay. Group it and set it like this. This one and like this. Now we move this image and now go to elements and we need an airplane like this. Make it smaller like this. Set it over here. Go to animate. First of all, go to position, click on layers and put this airplane in between the text. Now we need to animate this. Custom animation. Create an animation and drag this airplane like this. Look, now you can increase the speed, but I don't need to increase the speed. It's original. Go to smooth and done. Come here, duplicate page and match and move transition. Increase the time. Further, we add the sound. I have an sound and right click on it, go to fade. Look, here is 0.6 time, fade out the voice, and now further go to volume, reduce the volume to almost 20, and here is the final. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. I observe from the data lot of people are watching my videos but they are not subscribing my channel. It's my humble request to subscribe my channel as well. And thank you very much for giving me responses by viewing my videos. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.